Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video I wanted to talk a bit more deeply about how I prepare and edit my anime clips. Before any slow motion or Twixtor is added, the first thing I always do is clean up the footage. That means removing duplicated frames, stabilizing any shaking, and adjusting the frame interpretation to match the project settings. Once the clip is ready, I analyze the motion to see what sensitivity will work best. Every scene is different, so I test a few values until I find one that keeps the motion smooth without creating artifacts. After that, I apply color correction not to change the original art style, but just to boost clarity and contrast a little. My goal is always to enhance the animation while keeping the original look intact. Hopefully this helps anyone learning the process and gives you an idea of how I approach my edits.